Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, welcome back for another practice. Low back and core for today. I forget my mic, so I will talk to you. Let's begin. Slowly lie down and get ready. Lie down on your back, bend your legs, bring your arms back, rotate your pelvis. We will start raising up our upper body with the legs at the same time. Straight arms forward and push. Go ahead. 2. Good job. 3. Try to keep your lower back flat. 4. Slowly. 5. Good. 6. 7. Try to keep your neck off the ground. 8. 9. One more. 10. And one more. 11. Hold, release. Breathe couple of seconds and then we continue. Same thing, second set. You can inhale deeply once and exhale. Okay, get ready. Same thing. 1. Go ahead. 2. Your arms and legs working together. 3. Good job. 4. Awesome. 5. Keep your back flat. 6. Engage your core. 7. Good job. 8. Awesome. 9. One more. 10. And hold here. Okay, release. Inhale deeply once, as deep as possible, and then exhale. Okay, then right now we will raise our upper body. Our legs are always off the ground. Down. 2. Keep your arms straight. Rotate your pelvis. 3. Yes. 4. Nice and easy. 5. Yes. 6. Good job. 7. Try to bring your lower back in straight position. 8. Good. 9. One more. 10. And 11. That's it. Release. Heels on the ground. Exhale. Rotate your pelvis. Raise your butt off the ground and start to step forward and back. Step forward with the left, right, step back and continue. 3. Keep pushing with your butt up. 4. 5. 6. Go ahead. 7. Keep pushing from your butt up. 8. Good job. 9. One more. 10. One more. 11. One more. 12. And hold. Keep pushing your butt up and hold. 3, 2, 1. Release. Let's inhale deeply once and then we continue same second set. Raise your upper body with your legs. And 1. Continue. 2. Go ahead. 3. Keep your lower back straight. 4. Good job. 5. 6. 7. 8. Go ahead. 9. One more. 10. 11. And 12. 13. 14. 15. Release. Okay. Inhale deeply once, as deep as possible. Inhale through the nose, exhale from the mouth. Good job. Rotate your pelvis, raise your butt off the ground. Now we start stepping forward with the left. Step back and step forward. Step back. Go ahead. Good job. 5, 6, awesome, 7, good job, 8, keep pushing with your butt up, 8, 9, sorry, one more, 10, keep pushing always, 11, higher, 12, higher, 13, go ahead, 14, go ahead, 15, good job, 16, keep pushing and relax. Awesome. Let's inhale deep and then slowly stand up. Grab your knees. Inhale deep and then exhale. Get ready for the next one. We lie down. Your right arm will push up with your left leg, lower back. 1, 2, we'll do each side. 3, higher. 4, leg and arm work together. 5, 6, 7, higher. 8, awesome. Go ahead. 9, one more. 10, and slowly switch. Another side, left arm, right leg. 2, go ahead. 3, higher, keep pushing. 4, good job. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more. 10, good, release. Inhale deeply once, then exhale, plank position on our elbows. Raise your body off the ground, plank, and let's hold. Keep holding, tight your core, lower back, straight legs, straight knees, push from your shoulder blades. Keep holding. Good job. Nice and easy one. Continue holding. Breathe normally during this and release. We continue same that we did before. Right leg, right arm, left leg. And 1, go ahead. 2, 3, higher. 4, good job. 5, higher. 6, awesome. 7, 8, 9, one more. 10, awesome. Switch side and left. 2, high. 3, go ahead. 4, go ahead. 5, go ahead. 6, 7, awesome. 8, 9, 10, and release. Inhale deeply once, and then we continue with another plank position. Elbow plank, we will hold. Get ready. Let's hold. Tight your core, legs, engage your glutes. Push from your shoulder blades, and just hold. Feel strong and stable. Good job. You need to breathe normally. And release. Lie down. Then we will add arms with legs together. We raise your arms, open your legs, and then we push your arms back, and this time open your legs wider and back. Up, push back, open towards the side of your legs, and down. 3, up, push. Good. 4, up, push. 5. When you push your arms back, you open your legs towards the side. 6, up, good job. 7, higher as possible, as higher as possible. 8, go ahead. 9, push. One more. 10, and down. 11, good job. 12, 13, awesome. Release. Again, plank position and straight legs. Try to hold. Let's work. Tight your core and let's hold. Feel stable. Rotate your pelvis, engage. and slowly get ready to release. 3, 2, 1, and down. Good job. Get ready, same thing. Straight arms up, open your legs up and then towards the side. And let's work. Up, push together. Down. Up, push, open. Down. Go ahead. 3. Yes. Good job. 4. Push from your upper body. Squeeze your upper body. 6. Go ahead. Push. 7. Yes. Higher. 8. Awesome. Go ahead. 9 and 10. Keep moving. 11. Good job. 12. Good job. Release. Get ready, another elbow plank. Rotate the pelvis, stand up, and let's hold plank position. Feel stable. Push from your shoulder blades. Don't complain, keep working. Nobody promises us that life will be easy. Just be consistent, and this will help you. And release. Sit down. Let's inhale deeply and exhale. Inhale through the nose as deep as possible and exhale. One more. Inhale and then exhale. Okay, we continue. Bring your arms on the ground, knees on the ground. Then your left goes straight. What we're going to do, raise your knee, your right knee off the ground, and left knee goes towards your chest. Back, and then working from the left leg straight up. So core lower back. 2. Push. Lie down. 3. And take care. Raise your knee off the ground. 4. Push. Good. 5. Try to not arch your lower back during this. 6. Work from your butt and leg. Good. 7. Push forward. Yes. 8. Keep your legs straight. Tie the core. 9. Go ahead. 10. Good. Switch side. Get ready. Right leg straight. And forward. Down. Push. Forward. Down. Push up. Go ahead. 3. And push. 4. Good job. 5. Yes. Push. 6. Awesome. Tight your core. Straight leg. 7. Go ahead. Push. 8. Awesome. Up. 9. Push. One more. 10. Good job. Up and release. Sit down on your heels. Let's relax a bit. Inhale deeply once. Exhale. Let's do one more. Inhale deeply. And then exhale. Inhale for the most as deep as possible. Okay, let's do one more set of this. Starting with the right leg on the ground, left leg straight back. And go. Push forward. And down. Up. Go ahead. 2. Push. Good. 3. Try to not raise your butt too high. 4. Up. Good job. 5. Awesome. 6. Go ahead. 7. Awesome. 8. Push from your shoulder blades. 9. Feel stable. Tight your posture. Tight your line. 9. One more. 10. Good job. Release. Switch side. Right one. 1. Up. 2. Push. Awesome. 3. Don't be rushed. 4. Have a good control of your body. 5. Work slowly. 6. If you feel you are tired, just rest more. 7. Go ahead. 8. Good job. 9. One more. 10. push. Good job. And release. Sit down. Move your hips back, straight arms a little bit. Inhale deeply. And exhale. Okay, let's stretch a little bit more. Let's work on our spine and hips mobility. Pike your back. And then you relax your upper body and just rotate your hip towards the right side. Scapula and hip works same, and then switch side. Push up, rotate, push up, rotate. 3 times. If you feel you want to do more, you can do more. Okay, back to the middle, down facing dog, breathe. From here slowly, plank position, chaturanga slowly. Yes, upper facing dog, arch. Good, breathe. Slowly back. Sit down on your heels. Let's inhale deeply 3 times and exhale. 1. Good, inhale as deep as possible. Good job. 2. 1 more. Good job. 3. Okay, that's it. Thank you for today. Thank you for being with me. Have a good time.